Hello, hello. I hope you are all doing well. And there it is. Just check. Hello, hello. Yep, just checking where I am. And I am live on Facebook, and I will be posting this as well to my, sorry, I'm knocking stuff down, to my YouTube channel. You know, today is my day to go live, and I don't have a ton to say. My name is Clydine Bulkey, if you don't know me. I am a dabbler in all things creative and fun and natural. I like to try to do natural health and wellness. I am a doTERRA wellness advocate, and that just means I like to share my experience with these oils with other people and with you. And so I don't have a lot to say today. You know, it's the end of the month. This has been since March. Y'all, it's been rough on everybody. And I hope my prayer for you is that you have gotten through it as good as you possibly could. I hope you haven't lost too much. I hope you haven't lost more than you can recover from, because this has been rough, very rough. And I pray for this country, and I pray for you that you will recover and do well and prosper. I just wanted to come on today because, number one, I said I would. Couple of things I'm going to start with. Let me tell you what I'm putting in my water. Today I have a little cup. This is so true. There's a picture of my mother right back there. I'm kind of her mini-me. Yep, I'm kind of her mini-me. And I am going to go over here so I can see comments, if there are any comments. So here we go. I am going to put grapefruit in my water today. I'm going to pull this over here like this. Oh yeah, good. I just want to make sure it shows up. So I have a cup of water, and I don't have my bottle of water today, but I just have this ceramic cup, and I'm just going to put one drop because there's not very much in here. It's just a little bit of a water, but I love to put grapefruit in my water. I sometimes put cinnamon in my water. If you use oils in your water, tell me, what oil do you use? My favorite is grapefruit. I really love using grapefruit in my water. It's refreshing. It helps your metabolism, kind of cleansing. It's citrus, so it smells good when you're drinking it. Here's another thing I love to use. This is another one, a cheer roller, the Uplifting blend. So it's got, let me see what it's got in it. Wild orange, that's number one reason why I love it. I'm a citrus girl. Clove, star anise, you know, it's kind of hard to read. Lemon myrtle, ooh, that's an interesting. Nutmeg, vanilla, and ginger, and cinnamon, and something I can't read. Starts with a Z. But smells good. Oh, it really does smell good. So I'm going to put a little bit on my wrist, kind of rub them together. Take a nice big whiff. Do it again. I'm going to open up my sinuses by engaging this muscle right here, the zygomatic arch. It will open your face up and help open your sinuses up. Oh, that's such a good feeling. It really is cheer and uplifting. It is the cheer roller. Yes, it's really a nice, very nice. And today in my diffuser back here, I'm putting some OnGuard. OnGuard, because we all need a boost of immunity. A couple of drops. And I'm gonna smell that cinnamon in there in a minute, as soon as it goes on. Oh yeah, I can smell it already. It smells so great. It really smells great. Here's a really nice one. This came with my convention kit. And I think this was just a bonus oil that they threw in with the convention kit. But it smells delightful. This is the Together roller. And this is from last year's, I believe it was last year's convention. This year's was Pursue, but this is delightful. It has yuzu, which is a citrus. I've never heard of that oil. And it has magnolia. That's interesting. Yuzu and magnolia. It's beautiful. It's like perfuming. It's almost like a perfume, but it's not overwhelming. It's just so light and wonderful. The Together blend. I got that as a bonus, I believe, with my convention kit. And if you have not gotten the convention kit, you can still get it. And so you can still get it. If you want to message me or comment below, I can help you get it. I also have this month, for anyone who wants to host an oil party and share essential oils with your friends, I have this keychain. Look how adorable this is. And it has 8 mini bottles, 8 little samples in it. And for every person who attends your party and participates, you get one of these bottles filled with your oil of choice. And I have a lot of oils. So if you can get a starter kit, and then you can get different oils in this so that you get a variety, get more variety. So if you're interested in doing that, just message me or comment below. That's about all I have to say today. It's going to be really short and sweet. That's what I do every day. I use some oil in my water. I put some oil in the diffuser depending on how I'm feeling. I roll some oil on throughout the day depending on how I'm feeling. I just wanted to come on and hope and pray for you and talk to you and let you know that you're not alone. Just reach out if you want to talk or you need a shoulder. We're all in this together. We're all in this together. No matter what race, what creed, what religion, no matter what. We're all humans. We're all made in the likeness of God. And you are special and unique. He doesn't make junk. So you're important and you're loved and you're unique. You remember that. You have a great day. Bye, y'all.